1863, when Lee's Confederate Army
I got a cinder in my eye.
Take it out.
Huh?
Take it out.
Yeah, I got it.
Was that a wedding?
Looks like it.
Wedding with the Union. Or the Rebels. Oh, this is the Lancaster.
Huh?
No, I'm wrong.
Pop off.
You might expect that the Southerners in gray would be approaching from the south. They're not. They didn't at Gettysburg, and they're not here. They're approaching from the west. General Robert E. Lee's 75,000-man Army of Northern Virginia. The blue-coat Union federal soldiers that we see in their falling back skirmish line, they are a small vanguard of Army of the Potomac. They numbered 90,000, outnumbering the rebels by 15,000. But neither one of those armies is here yet, and neither army particularly knows where the rest of them are. No one is actually firing real bullets at each other. It's only a reenactment of events that might have been in the summer of 1863. They're firing only gunpowder blanks at each other. But during the actual events, they would have been firing at each other 58 caliber bare lead mini balls. They were conical shaped bare lead soft bullets. Battle injuries during our war between the states were no less than nightmarish. For safety's sake, I and the crew would like to request strenuously to all guests that you remain inside your car. Please do not step out onto the end platforms. Please remain inside your car and view the battle action through the side windows. If you can, in whoever invented that thing. The mystique of invincibility. It's the rebels' hope that they can ride this wave all the way to total victory and independence if they can bring the stubborn Lincoln administration to the peace table with a crushing victory. And what would be better than capturing the birthplace of American independence, Philadelphia itself. And with Philadelphia in rebel hands, the road will be open to assault Washington City from the rear. With the growing peace movement here in Pennsylvania and elsewhere across the North, it was Lee's gamble that with a big enough victory, public opinion would turn against the Lincoln administration and force him to sue for peace on the only terms the Confederacy would accept, and that was total independence in the old spirit of 1776. What we witness today is how Lee's gamble for independence in 1863 might have turned out differently if we change only one not so minor historical detail. The bridge had stood. If there are any deaths platforms in your cars at this time, please do, for safety's sake, move back inside your car. At least for the time being, the most heated action seems to have subsided. However, this is only the end of the beginning. Sure hope that other locomotive out there isn't in rebel hands by now. It does appear to be paralleling our route farther south.
Oh, I see it.
remember Cinder Catcher?
I remember. Who that?
Look at the stack covers. Dude, that
Stack covers fit very nicely. I would try to peer in the seat more. Probably not though. Definitely like tinted the windows.
Yeah. Well, is that even the narrow gauge track?
Oh, yeah.
No, that's coach in there. Better question, where's the snowplow?
Yeah, it's like inside the paint. Yeah, you track it out, rip it up.
That's the cover.